echo inside me as time is slowly ticking away. I miss the way that we were in harmony. I'm having trouble letting go. I close my eyes and wish you were closer. Now we're like footprints in the snow, slowly fading until it's over. Our memories won't last forever. I'll love you for eternity. So baby, let's get back together. I'll show you what you need, a symphony. Feeling connected, so I propose that we embrace love, hope, and our affection. Nostalgia is crashing down, a bittersweet burning feeling. Cause when I start to look around, home isn't the same way you're leaving. Our memories won't last forever. I'll love you for eternity. So baby, let's get back together. I'll show you what you need, a symphony. A symphony. A symphony.
unfold around you now. It's trapped inside the pain. Maybe I should stay in the dark after you had it to a place so far away. All those crazy thoughts are going through my mind. A part of me I can't escape. Our love was so sublime. It doesn't make no sense if you're not here again. If the only one who's gone who will be there for me to say, we'll come back to the
to the 16th floor, I just need a little more. Rocking out to Lorna Shore, making that thing swing back and forth. Look at us, we're out of sorts, thank God we're not keeping score. Losing our mind to cannibal chords, making that thing swing back and forth. To the 16th floor, I just need a little more. Rocking out to Lorna Shore, making that thing swing back and forth. Look at us, we're out of sorts, thank God we're not keeping score. Losing our mind to cannibal chords, making that thing swing back and forth.
Right, lads?